Colleague AI is not just another edtech platform. It's a bridge between academic research and the classroom. It's the result of years of study from within the University of Washington, developed and validated through federally funded research and through partnership with leading researchers and districts and teachers. They're building something that's not just another tool, but a foundation for safe, effective AI-supported learning at scale. So let's look at the platform. The outcome of all of this academic research and collaboration are, of course, the chat features like lesson generators or the more narrow applications like text scaffolders, but that's just scratching the surface, as Colleague AI is truly multimodal, meaning it can generate audio and visuals and make online interactives where students can access features in the classroom, providing me with some rich assessment data. And I'll show you that we have an agentic batch grading feature, and if you're an administrator, I'll also explain how Colleague AI is a systematic layer in your tech stack, offering core documents and school improvement supports on the building and district admin level. So let me show you what I mean by all of this. Lately, I have been loving the slide generator as a way to quickly make polished, scaffolded slide decks, which I've been using as a way to embed those tier 2 mini lessons within small group instruction that happen inside the classroom, which is getting at the heart of Colleague AI as a fully comprehensive system. It's not just supporting me in idea building and content generation, it's also a robust support in instructional delivery and assessment. In the classroom feature, we can automatically import rosters via LMS integration, and it looks a lot like an LMS itself. It hosts my classes and assessments and grades, but it's so flexible. I can build a custom chatbot called the teaching aid where I can upload a worksheet or some other type of class content, and students can get in and they practice. And they can interact with these content materials via typed chat, or even better, students can live chat to practice verbal expression, like this example question from the speaking portion of the WIDA Access.
Let's start with the picture you have on your screen. Would you like to describe what you see?
I see a father with his son.
That's right.
That's one of the engaging components in the classroom feature, but the online interactive is amazing too, as it allows me to make interactive online activities or visuals like this one, bringing students through a simulation of quadratic functions. They get to practice quadratic functions, and then there's an assessment. And on the back end of all of these classroom features, after students work through these activities, I am provided with assessment data. We talked about the teaching aid, and I can see the teaching aid chat history, or I can generate summaries for a specific student or for an entire class. And the Generate Interactive makes some amazing customizable data sets, and it does have an automatic AI grading option, but if you really want to talk about AI grading, the AI grading feature really shines. Because I can upload batches of handwritten assignments like these examples where students answered questions about bivariate data analysis. And I uploaded an answer key and a rubric that it helped me make, and ultimately it generates individual reports or a broad grade summary based on the specifications that I provided to the agentic tool. And so we've gone from content development to delivery to assessment, all of which help my students throughout the entire teaching and learning cycle. But administrators can use these tools too. Look at how we can use the Generate Interactive tool to create an enrollment forecast or a dynamic budget allocation visual or a climate survey that you can push out to your staff in order to support system-wide improvement. And if the results from this survey suggest that teachers can use more help in curricular alignment, well, school leaders can upload core documents like scope and sequences or curriculum, which Colleague AI will pull from while teachers interact and generate content for their classes. And so I'm hoping that you can see Colleague AI is a truly comprehensive platform